driving me right out of my mind. I'm curious to be with you, and there's nothing I won't do. You got me running round in circles all the time. Girl, don't be afraid. I can see it when I look in your eyes. I want to get next to you. I can't describe just how I feel, but girl, you know that it's for real. Oh yeah. Can't let you go right now. Can't let you go. Can't let you go right now. Can't let you go right now. Can't let you go right now. No, 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 no. You got me intrigued to find out what's going on in that mind of yours. Your sly mystique has got me yearning in ways I've never felt before. It's unbelievable how much you can tell when I look in your eyes. It's undescribable, but I know that you're the one, and I wanna do it right. Can't let you go right now. Can't let you go. Can't let you go right now. Can't let you go right now. Can't let you go right now. Can you run away with me to a land of fantasy? The only thing that holds you down is when you stop coming around. Sail the seven seas, float away, just you and me. Leave your problems behind, just free your thoughts.